Check this video to retrieve photos from your iPhone that won't turn on and fix it without difficulties. Part 1. How to get photos off iPhone that won't turn on via Coolmuster iPhone Data Recovery. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster iPhone Data Recovery on your computer. Then run it and select the Recover from iTunes Backup File mode on the left panel. Step 2. It will scan the default iTunes backup location on your computer. After displaying the backup files on the interface, select one from the list and tap the Start Scan button below. Note, if you cannot find the wanted backup file, please click the Select button below to pick the iTunes backup file from other customized folders. Step 3. When you reach the data selection interface, tick off the data types you want to restore and hit the Start Scan icon again. Once it finishes scanning files, choose Photos or Camera Roll from the left window and preview the pictures. Next, check the desired photos and click the Recover to Computer button to save them to your computer. Part 2. How to get pictures off iPhone that won't turn on from iTunes backup. Note, the restored data will overwrite all the existing files on the new iPhone. Therefore, you can back up your iPhone data to a computer or external hard drive before proceeding further. Step 1. Connect the working iPhone to the computer and run the latest version of iTunes on your computer if it doesn't launch automatically. Step 2. Once detected, tap the iPhone icon at the upper left corner of the iTunes window, choose Summary from the left panel, and hit the Restore Backup option under the Backup section. Step 3. Select a backup file you wish to restore from the pop-up window and click the Restore button. Part 3. How to recover photos from iPhone that won't turn on from iCloud backup. Similarly, if you have always enabled the photo syncing to iCloud before, your iPhone won't turn on. You can easily get the pictures off the iPhone from the iCloud website. Step 1. Visit iCloud.com from a computer browser and sign in with the same Apple ID credentials you used on the dead iPhone. Step 2. After login, tap Photos from the interface, pick the photos you want to download, and hit the download icon to store them on your computer. Part 4. How to fix iPhone that won't turn on without data loss. If unfortunately, you forget to back up your iPhone before it fails to turn on, you can try fixing your iPhone first and then access the photos on it. Solution 1. Force restart your iPhone. Force restarting your iPhone works well for fixing glitches and minor system bugs. It is also the easiest method to repair the iPhone problem. You can try. For iPhone 8 and later versions, quickly press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. After that, press and hold the power button for a while until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Solution 2. Charge your iPhone for a while. Insufficient power can also prevent your iPhone from turning on. Thus, when you find your iPhone won't turn on, the first thing you can try is to charge your iPhone with the Apple authorized charger and USB cable for up to 30 minutes before using it. Later, start your iPhone to see whether you can turn it on. Solution 3. Check if your computer recognizes your iPhone. You can also connect your iPhone to the computer to see if iTunes recognizes your device. If it does, back up your iPhone with it immediately. Solution 4. Fix the iPhone that won't turn on via iOS system repair. Step 1. After installing the software on your computer, launch it and connect your iPhone to the computer via USB cable. Afterward, click More Tools iOS System Recovery on the interface. Step 2. The software will automatically detect your iPhone problem and display it on the interface. After detection, tap the Start button to continue. Step 3. You will need to confirm the iPhone information on the interface. If incorrect, select the correct one from the drop-down menu. Finally, click the Repair button to start the repair process. Solution 5. Contact Apple support. If unfortunately, nothing above works for repairing your iPhone, try contacting Apple support via the Apple website or take your iPhone to the nearest Apple retail store or Apple authorized service center for help.